हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम अभिषेक सिंह है। मैं लखनऊ से बिलोंग करता हूं और रिसेंटली मैंने NDA 150 कोर्स के लिए 32 SSB जलंधर से रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है और उसके लिए मैंने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में कोचिंग लिया था और उसके बाद ही मेरा रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त हुआ है। इस वीडियो में मैं सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी द्वारा दिए गए टिप्स और SSB में 5 दिन का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगा। इस पहले दिन से अगर स्टार्ट करें तो पहले दिन हमारा SSB में स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होता है। उसके लिए फर्स्ट टेस्ट OIR टेस्ट होता है जिसमें कि 2 सेट्स मिलते हैं, वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस के। और उसके लिए मुझे सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी की तरफ से मुझे असाइनमेंट्स मिलते थे और पूरे अराउंड 17 सेट्स प्रोवाइड किए गए थे OIR सीट्स। उनमें मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस मिली थी और यहाँ पर भी सर के द्वारा प्रैक्टिस करवाई गई थी जिसके कारण ही मेरा OIR टेस्ट काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ था। रियल SSB में मैं सारे OIR क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर पाया था। उसके बाद PPDT के लिए यहाँ सेंचुरियन में और मेरे अराउंड 8 to 9 PPDT सेशंस हुए थे जिनमें मुझे इंडिविजुअल फीडबैक मिला था जिसके कारण मेरा बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ। बिकॉज स्टोरी राइटिंग करना इज़ अ रियली अ गुड आर्ट बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड इन स्टोरी राइटिंग, इवन आई यूज्ड टू फियर टू राइट अ गुड स्टोरी. But when I came to Centurion Defense Academy, Shishir sir helped me a lot. Like he told me what are the good things, what are the good ideas you can include in the story. Like earlier I used to have a stage fear also. So I was not able to express myself completely. But when I came to Centurion Defense Academy, he told me you can do this because you are very good in speaking. So he gave me the confidence which was so much required to go through the SSB. Here I have done so many practices like PPDT practices as well as narration practices. So that helped me in my actual SSB also. In my SSB, the picture which came in the PPDT was that there were 5 लोग थे और वो एक टेबल के ऊपर एक बड़ा सा पेपर रखा था, उस पर कुछ लिख रहे थे। तो मेरे दिमाग में उसमें आइडिया आया कि ये लोग दे कैन बी स्टूडेंट एंड प्रोफेसर, they are doing some project in science. So that story I wrote at that point of time. वो स्टोरी मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में प्रैक्टिस कर चुका था और वो स्टोरी सर शिशिर सर ने आज उसको करेक्ट बताया था, तो मैंने वही सेम स्टोरी वहाँ पे लिख दी। उसके बाद मेरा जब नरेशन हुआ, नरेशन से पहले मैंने अपनी स्टोरी को कम से कम 50 टाइम्स अपने दिमाग में प्रैक्टिस किया। बिकॉज नरेशन से पहले हमें अराउंड 30 मिनट्स का टाइम मिला था, उस टाइम का मैंने बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन किया। और उसके बाद नरेशन के टाइम पे मेरी वॉइस ना ही ज़्यादा तेज़ थी, आई मेंटेन एवरेज फ्लुएंसी इन दी नरेशन so that all group members of our group can understand my story well. And after the narration, I was also listening the stories of each group member of my group. So finally, after narration, when the GD started, like as natural, the fish market happens. So in that fish market, here I was told that you do not have to participate in the fish market. You have to participate when there is some silence in the GD. Whenever I found that kind of chance, I put my point. Like I put that someone in my group has made a very good story. I listened his story, so I said that let's follow his story. So this was the point I put and everybody in my group accepted that point. उसके बाद 2-3 पॉइंट और काफ़ी अच्छे ऐड किया, एक्शन जो डाल सकते थे वो मैंने उसी टाइम पे सोचे और उनको बताया। और उसके बाद हमारा PPDT हो गया, उसके बाद हम स्क्रीनिंग हो गए। हमारी 60 रिपोर्टिंग थी, उसमें से टोटल 40 कैंडिडेट स्क्रीनिंग हुए और हमारा पहला ही बैच था 32 SSB का, तो इसलिए हम पायनियर ग्रुप थे। उसके बाद डे सेकेंड में हमारा साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट हुआ सुबह, तो उसमें यहाँ सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में ऑलरेडी मैं 3 बार साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट दे चुका था पूरा फुल डोजियर के साथ और मुझे डिब्रीफ मिल चुका था कि तुम व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक्स यू आर कमिटिंग हियर एंड व्हाट आर द टिप्स यू कैन फॉलो सो दैट यू कैन इम्प्रूव दिस ऑल। लाइक शिशिर सर टोल्ड मी आई डिड नॉट हैड वेरी गुड way to write a well organized story. So he told me कि you can make good, मतलब कि there are 3 main headlines in the story, like what led to the situation, what is happening in the story, and what will be the outcome. So in earlier when I used to come here, so I did not used to, my stories did not used to very well organized, but Shishir sir told me how I can organize my stories well and so that I can put my ideas very effectively. That's what he told me. And also he told me what are the ideas you should write and what type of ideas you should avoid. Like he told me you have to write only positive stories. Like earlier some negative thoughts also used to come in my mind, so after getting good guidance from here, finally there was very good clarity in my mind. So just by using all those tips, I wrote the psychological test. So in the psychological test 12 pictures were shown. I completed all those 12 stories. After 12 pictures, 60 words are shown in the WAT test. In WAT test, CC sir told us like you have to write highly motivational sentences and sentences which show some value. Like you cannot write common sentences which a class 12th boy or a class 5th boy can write. So you have to write a good knowledgeable point. Like if you have knowledge, you show that. So I used to show the best part of my knowledge. That's what I did in the WAT test. In the SRT, I attempted all those 60 tests because here in Centurion, I had already done practice of WAT 3 times in this psych dossier. Then in the SRT test, here I have done good practice here. I used to attempt around 40 to 45 SRTs every time. So that helped me to attempt 50 SRTs in my real SSB. And here I was told that you do not have to write very long sentences in the SRT because it is a test of only 30 minutes and you have to write 60 situations. So that's what I followed. And here I was told that you have to use the telegraphic language in which you have to give a long idea in short words. So that's what I did in the SD. My SD was prepared by sir. So sir has removed all those shortcomings were there. In SD, sir has removed all those shortcomings and my SD was become good. So that was my psych experience. After psych experience, I was feeling so satisfied. Yes, that one test I have done better in the SSB. Then after psych test, in the same day, I had my interview in the evening at 6 p.m. So Deputy President of 32 SSB was taking the interview. So I entered his room and he gave me a lot of comfortableness and he comfortable me and he started asking me why I want to join defense forces a lot from starting itself. So I told him my reasons. That I am passionate for the country and I want to contribute for the nation. And after doing this, he generally asked me the question related to Indian Army. Like I had studied a lot about Indian Army. Like I used to read the magazines of Indian Army, like a magazine called Baatcheet. It is a magazine of Indian Army. I read it a lot, so I was able to answer his questions very well, and my interview went very well. And after 10 minutes of questions about Indian Army, he asked me about my family background, about my friends, what are the weakness my friends have, and what are the lessons I learned from my friends, and what are the mistakes I have done in my past. Such kind of questions the interviewing officer asked me. Whatever the natural answer I found, I gave him. We used to get good resources, like we used to have a group in Centurion Defense Academy. सो उस ग्रुप में हमें काफ़ी हेल्प हुआ. हम एक दूसरे के साथ जीडी करते थे यहाँ पे, और उससे हम एक दूसरे को उनकी शॉर्टकमिंग्स बताते थे और साथ ही साथ सब इम्प्रूव करते थे. सो एंड ऑल्सो हेयर इन दी पर्सनल इंटरव्यू टोल्ड मी कि दैट यू नीड टू रीड दिस मैगजीन्स एंड यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर नॉलेज ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दैट जनरल अवेयरनेस वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड ऑफ माइंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट इन 1 month ओनली आई इम्प्रूव माई जनरल अवेयरनेस. दैट हेल्प इन मी इन माई रियल इंटरव्यू. After this, the interviewing officer asked me at the last that what are my weakness and what are my strength. So naturally what I felt, I answered him that my strengths are my determination and my hard work. That's what I told him. Then after the interview, I was also very well satisfied. Yes, I have given a good interview. After the interview, on the day 3rd, we had our GTO. In GTO day 1, we had first of all group discussion. Here we used to get around 5 to 6 group discussions in Centurion Defense Academy, in which we used to first of all we were told about what are the things expected from us in the group discussion, and what are the things how we have to perform in a group discussion, and what are the things which will make you different candidate from other candidates. So in the first group discussion, the topic was what is the biggest problem the world is facing. So there were 3 main leads. The first lead was terrorism, climate change and economic inequality. These were the 3 leads. So I took the lead called terrorism. So I took this lead because मैंने बताया कि terrorism is the biggest problem the world is facing right now. Because terrorism की वजह से क्या है कि climate change के लिए तो कुछ countries are putting their efforts, but nobody is putting their effort to resolve the problem of terrorism. That's what I put. So यहाँ पे बताया गया था मुझे कि you have to put your logical point. You cannot give anything, you cannot speak on anything, like you have to give a logical point. That logical point will give you an upper edge in the group discussion. So and also यहाँ पे बताया गया था कि you have to read newspapers on daily basis, and also you have to follow some magazines which will give good knowledge about the group discussions. So I used to read newspapers on daily basis. Also used to follow the magazines called Yojana and Kurukshetra. These are the magazines which are mainly read by the UPSC candidates, but I read also them because I was interested in knowledge, so I read them. That helped me in my group discussions. So in my both group discussions, I performed very well. After the group discussions, we had our GP, that is called group planning exercise. Here we had around 6 to 7 group planning exercises in Centurion Defense Academy, in which I used to do so many mistakes in the past. Like earlier, I did not used to write good planning because I did not used to organize my plans like I used to solve like you have to focus on the priorities, you have to give a priority, you have to solve the problems according to their priorities. So here it was told how you have to prioritize your problem, how you have to well organize your plan. That's what here it was told to me. After the group planning exercise, we have our PGT. You know, we have a very good ground in Centurion Defence Academy. Here I was experienced around more than 7 to 8 PGTs. Here there are so many obstacles available here, which helped me to understand the principle of cantilever, which actually helps us to resolve the structures and obstacles present in the PGT test. Here it was told to us that you have to show a good attitude and you have to show a good enthusiasm in the group test. So I showed मैंने काफ़ी जोश दिखाया वहाँ पे और वहाँ पे टीम को लीड किया, अपने ग्रुप को आगे जाके, बिकॉज मुझे आइडियाज़ जल्दी आ रहे थे, तो उसके कारण मैं टीम को लीड कर पाया और अपने आइडियाज़ इंप्लीमेंट कर पाया पीजीटी में. तो वो सब यहाँ पे जो गाइडेंस हमें मिला था ऑफ कैंटिलीवर, दैट हेल्प्ड मी एक्चुअली. So after the PGT task, there was HGT task. So here it was also told that you have to also cooperate others. Like you cannot lead every time. You have to help others also, and you have to also motivate others so that others also perform with you. So that's what I did in my HGT task. Like in my HGT task, I gave chance to my friends who were the part of my group. I said that you give your ideas, we will accept and we will follow that. So that's what I did here. And after the HGT task, we have our group obstacle race. Group obstacle race is a race of a group. So here it was told to us that in this race you are not an individual who is participating, and until and unless your group wins, you are not considered to be win. So we had done so many 3 to 4 practices of group obstacle race in Centurion. So that helped me to tell my group members like what are the things we should do so that we can pass the group obstacle race so as early as possible. So there were totally 4 groups in which our group came first because of the contribution of our whole group. And after the group obstacle race, we had our individual obstacles. Lecture did not happen on day 3 because that was changed by our sir, GTO sir. So individual obstacle happened the same day after the GOR. So in the individual obstacles, we all know that there are very good and very tough individual obstacles present at the Centurion Defence Academy. Like if you do them, then you will be having a lot of fear and stress because they are at very good height. So after doing practice from here, when I reached to GTO ground of 32 SSB, then I found that these obstacles are very easy because they did not have so much of height. They were only at around 7 to 8 feet. Here the obstacles are of 10 feet. So whenever you will do them, you will have a lot of fear. But because of the practice I have done in Centurion Defence Academy, that helped me to go through with those tasks very easily. So after the end of day 3, we had our day 4. In the day 4, the first task was lecturate. In the lecturate, the 4 topics were the Article 370 and corruption in India, and elections in India, and leadership in Indian Army. These were the 4 topics of lecturate. So we have done around 5 to 6 lecturate practices here in the Centurion Defence Academy, and also we were provided the lecturate sheet in which these all topics were given. So I have done a lot of research on these topics with the internet and various sources from books and newspapers, due to which I was able to deliver a very good lecture topic in the SSB also. After the lecturate test, we had command task, in which one candidate is made commander by the GTO, and he can call 2 of his subordinates to help him so that he can resolve the task which was given by GTO. So I was called the last in the command task by my GTO sir, and so I called 2 of my group members to help me and that GTO sir was raising the difficulty of the task. But I was putting my mind, I did not get pressure because the clarity was there in my mind, because यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हमें बता दिया गया था कि कैंटिलीवर का ही प्रिंसिपल वहाँ पे लगेगा, और सो जिसके कारण मुझे ज़्यादा प्रेशर वहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा था. So I was able to implement that principle of cantilever, and due to which I was able to solve my group command task. In my command task, our group was of 10 people, and only 1 person has called me for his command task. 8 other people have not called me. So I was thinking ki what happened to me, like nobody has called me. So but actually that did not affected my recommendation. That's after the command task, there was a final group task of GTO series, in which you have to again prove your capabilities. So here it was told to us that after doing 8 tasks of GTO, you cannot sit silently, like you have to also perform well in the final group task also. So that's what I did. I also performed very well in the final group task. So now I'm going to tell you what are the things I followed in the group task. In the group task, the first thing here it was told to us that you have to cooperate. Like ultimately you are the part of a group, you are not the leader of the group. So it was told to us that you have to cooperate with each other, so that finally the objective of the group can be completed. So that's what a brief to us. And also here it was told to us that you have to improve your English and communication skills, because there are so many, it is a skill which is so much important for the group test, because it will give a lot of confidence, and if you have the knowledge, it will give a lot of confidence to you. So that's what I did there also. And finally on the 5th day I was called for the conference. I was just number 20. So after 90 people, when I was waiting for my conference, so I waited around for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes I entered the room, and I was called by the brigadier sir. He was the president of our board, and he just asked me a few questions like what are the suggestions will you give to improve the facilities of this SSB center. Then I told him, sir, that as it is a new center, so here more and more sports facilities can be there. And also I told him that, sir, as it is a new center, so there can be a library, so that students can or the candidates who come for their SSB, they can utilize their time very well. These are the two things I told him when he asked for what are the improvements he would like to tell me. After this he asked me how many friends you made here. Then I told that, sir, everybody who came for the SSB, all our group was my friend. So he asked me that tell me the name of those people. Then whatever the names I know, I told him. After this my conference ended, and finally after the wait of around 1.5 hours, our psychology sir came, and he called my chest number 20, and then I told him my name and my roll number, and this is how finally I got recommended. So now I would like to tell you what are the things I did different which made me to get recommended. So the first thing was that I had a lot of determination and the confidence that helped me, because in the GTO test you will have to show this. You cannot be shy. Like if you will be shy, if you will give any kind of, ultimately it is also a competition. So if you will be shy, then other people will lead you, or you will not get chance to perform. So that is what I learned, and that is something I always kept in my mind while doing the task. And second thing, here it was told to us, like earlier I used to have a fear of writing stories. So here it was told to us like none of the idea is very good or none of the idea is very bad. Just you have to put your mind, because ultimately it is a test of your psychology or your mind. So if you think correct and if you perceive the picture correct and write a good logical story on that, then your story is okay, no any problem in that. Just you have to follow a few guidelines of the writing of a story. That will be told to you if you come to Centurion Defense Academy. That all will be told to you by Shishir sir. He explained the psych test very well, so that removed all kind of myths. Like earlier I had various myths regarding the SSB about psychological test. So he removed all those myths. Like he used to give me a lot of confidence by correcting my stories, and also used by telling me what are the mistakes I am doing. And also he used to do the practice of, he used to मतलब वो मुझे रात के 10 बजे तक रोक कर प्रैक्टिस करवाते थे, और हम जितने भी हम सारे ग्रुप थे हमको सबको कराते थे, जिसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिट हमें हुआ अपनी स्टोरीज़ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। बिकॉज यहाँ पे 21 डेज़ का कोर्स में टाइम बहुत कम होता है, उसके लिए वो सर अपने एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स हमें डाल के मेहनत करवाते थे। तो दैट हैज़ एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड मी टू क्लियर द साइक टेस्ट. For personal interview, as I told you, the boldness and the confidence and your knowledge and your way to communicate will matter a lot. So thank you and best of luck to all of you.